Hello everyone, I'm here with the Simple Minis Volume 4. I know you guys have been waiting for this good one. If you're not familiar with my Simple Minis series, I've been creating a series of mini albums that are absolutely perfect for the 6x6 paper pad or quick and easy projects that you can put together with the wow factor. So even though this is a small mini album, check it out, guys. We've got a shaker window option here. We also have some really fun pockets and pullouts and all sorts of things. However, it's still simple. All right. So this is volume 4. I've already released. Well, now I'm releasing volumes. I have released volumes 1 through 4. So let's take a quick peek at this. So there are no photo mats in here because I want you to see the page design. Okay. And it's not completely decorated, but all of the other pages repeat themselves. So this super fabulous fun collection is a collection by American Crafts Shimelle. It is titled Field Trip. It's super duper cute, fun, very youthful, vibrant. It's just a fun collection, guys, and I thought it was the perfect collection to do up this album. I'm going to give it to my nephew so he can put some photos in there of his school trips. So check out this page. Super fabulous. Okay, so that pulls up. However, this, what looks like an envelope, or what is your closure, well, now it looks like an envelope, right? But was part of your closure, is a pull-out photo mat. Okay, you got a pocket for photos, and you can put a photo in the back if you want to. I just like to put some pattern paper in there just for looks, right? So then that goes like this. You can also slip some photo mats in there if you want, but super cute on this page. Not interactive, but simple to make. Okay, so you're going to flip over here and you've got another one of these button style closure pages. So that opens up like that. This opens up like so, and like so. And look at all of that room that you have for photos. It's really cute. Again, lots of room for photos, a really nice balance between pattern paper spots and photo spots, and just fun decorative spots as well. So you have a lot going on here without a lot of work. All right, these are perfect for if you like to sell your albums. These are perfect for that because you can get that wow factor with little effort. And again, you can use up those 6x6 pads. I personally do not use a 6x6 pad. I don't own any. And this, I use a 12x12 collection. And I made 2, which coincidentally, I have a kit for this. It's on my website. But the kit makes 2 projects. This one and my All Occasions 2 Folio. So if you get this kit that is for sale right now on my website, you can make the 2 projects with the 1 kit. All right, so check this out, this pocket here. How cute. So here I went a little different. I did some tab style photo mats. Okay, how cute. So just lots of fun with your photo mats, with your decorating here, and not too much fuss. Okay, so this is the back of the page. The rest of it repeats itself. So you're going to pull this out. All right, so we've got a little photo mat book there. And then here that opens up for more room for photos. You can put something in there. Your photo mat is your closure. And then we've got this we ended with this super cute coin envelope. So notice the closure. It wraps around the back and wraps around the envelope flap, and it keeps it closed. So coin envelopes are super cute, but not very functional. And I wanted to do something that was functional for you all. So I did a faux coin envelope, similar to the one I did with your Simple Minis Volume 3, however, a different style. So you get lots of room for photos here, and you still get that super fun, cool look of a coin envelope with this dynamite closure. Simple closure, but it just adds so much presentation to your album. So I hope you love it. Let me know what you all think about Simple Minis Volume 4. If you are not into the shaker album covers, no worries, because all of the volumes have your standard cover here. All right, your standard cover, and then you get whichever one you picked up, you get the the more fun cover. All right, so with Simple Minis Volume 4, you will have instructions for a regular cover and this shaker cover. So really, really fun on these albums, guys. Check the description box below for details on your purchase options. Thank you so much.